least 40 people have been killed, and around 1,200 injured following a massive explosion at Shahid Raja'i port, Iran's largest container port, near the southern city of Bandar Abbas. The blast occurred on Saturday morning, April 26. Local reports say the explosion shattered windows, tore off roofs, and destroyed cars in nearby areas. Residents reported feeling the impact up to 50 kilometers away. While the exact cause of the explosion remains unclear, chemicals stored at the container port are suspected to have fueled the blast. Shahid Raja'i is Iran's busiest port facility, handling a large share of the country's imports and exports. The explosion comes at a sensitive time, as Iran is engaged in a third round of nuclear negotiations with the United States and Oman. One has reported exceptional financial results for the fiscal year ending March 31, 2025, marking a period of significant growth across all key performance indicators. The Singapore-based shipping company recorded a staggering 336% year-on-year increase in net profit, reaching over $4.2 billion. At the same time, earnings before interest and taxes surged by an impressive 871%, hitting $3.8 billion. One said its container volumes also saw steady growth, increasing by 6% to 12.75 million TEUs, underlining strong demand and improved efficiency across its global network. A feeder ship operated by Korea Marine Transport Company collided with a bulk carrier in Vietnam's Long Tao River, off Ho Chi Minh City, at 10:40 p.m. local time on 25 April, with damage sustained to both ships. There were no reports of injuries or damage to cargo, but KMTC Surabaya sustained water ingress that was brought under control. CMA-CGM Group has confirmed the closing of its acquisition of approximately 47.9% of Santos Brasil Partícipe Pessoas from funds managed by Opportunity, following regulatory approvals from relevant Brazilian authorities. The transaction was completed at a price per share of 13 Brazilian reais and 60 centavos. As a result of this move, the French shipping company now holds a 51% stake in Santos Brasil, making it the company's controlling shareholder. This includes the 47.9% shares acquired from Opportunity, and the 3.1% shares acquired by an affiliate of CMA-CGM in September 2024. Israeli ocean carrier ZIM and Hong Kong-based regional carrier DS Lines have joined MSC and Premier Alliance in pulling trans-Pacific services, as container volumes continue plunging amid the US-China trade war. ZIM has removed its Central China Express service, 9 months after its launch. The Haifa-based operator, which derives most of its Asia-North America revenue on the spot market, is pulling the plug on ZX2, as Asia-US West Coast rates are now 77% lower than in July 2024, when the service started. The German ocean carrier reported a 17% growth in Group EBITDA, reaching $1.1 billion, a 24% increase in Group EBIT to $500 million, while the company's revenue climbed from $4.6 billion in 2024 Q1 to $5.3 billion in the first 3 months of 2025. The main drivers of this positive development, according to Hapag-Lloyd's analysts, were a transport volume of 3.3 million TEUs, and an average freight rate of used 1,480/TEU, both of which were 9% higher than in the same quarter of 2024, due to strong demand. Reflecting confidence in its performance and outlook, Hapag-Lloyd shareholders approved a dividend payout of €8.20 per share at the annual general meeting.